Before inserting a balloon, an endoscopic examination of the esophagus, stomach, and duodenum is performed to exclude and treat pre-existing disease which may preclude a balloon. The esophagus is the food pipe connecting the pharynx to the stomach. It is 10 inches or 25 centimeters long and lies mostly in the center of the chest. The endoscopist will look for abnormalities including abnormalities of contraction, inflammation, tears in the lining, ulcers, etc. Gastrus, or the stomach, is used to temporarily store food and digest food before slow release into the intestines. It is 12 inches or 30 centimeters long and 6 inches or 15 centimeters wide. It usually lies in the center and upper part of the belly, partly hidden by the lower part of the chest. The endoscopist will look for abnormalities including abnormalities of contraction, inflammation, tears in the lining, ulcers, hernia, polyp, etc. Retroflexion maneuver is performed within the stomach to look for abnormalities of the upper part of the stomach and the junction of the esophagus with the stomach. It also helps reveal presence of a hiatus hernia, which simply put is a hernia of the stomach into the chest. The endoscope is then withdrawn at the end of the examination. The balloon and its insertion tube is checked and prepared for deployment. The balloon is then lubricated before guiding into the esophagus and inserting into the stomach. The correct positioning of the balloon in the stomach is again confirmed by endoscopy. Here you can see that the endoscopist is putting an endoscope into the stomach and confirming that the balloon is correctly positioned before starting to inflate. The gastric balloon is then inflated with a colored solution. In the unlikely event of the balloon rupturing following discharge from hospital, you will notice blue or green color in your urine. Once the balloon is fully inflated, then the tube is disconnected. A smaller meal will generate a sensation of fullness in the presence of a balloon in the stomach. Moreover, it may cause a temporary aversion to food. Hence, you can expect to lose 2 to 3 stones, representing 15 to 20% of your excess weight.